Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel and this video I'm just going to discuss about my scanners which we have created for stock option and along with our advanced option strategy. So based on the volatility and IV, IVP and IVR, we will finding out the stocks for a positional move. So last month we updated this data, and right now I'm just going to discuss. Last month we find no stocks which is more than 85 IV, and that means non-directional strategy. So we can't use it for the month of September. Already we discussed on our previous videos, but directional basis we can plan some strategy. And before going to the video, I'll just give me a short explanation of our option strategy. It is a positional strategy, and the concept is how we can try finding out a stock, 3 to 5 stocks for a monthly, so based on the expected momentum and as per the trending on the stocks. So after finding that we have some strategy. So someone was asking regularly what is the option cost. So based on that we will be finding out non-directional and directional. So here in the non-directional we will be finding some 5 different strategies. One is about 1.1 and F4 strategies and SBB strategy. This is a strategy name and which you are using for a non-directional and OTM based, and these 4 which you can use it as a non-directional along with the edged manner. So we have a edging position with either a future or with the options. We will be doing an edging kind of trade with this particular non-directional, and directional we have a 2.1 or 3.2 and F4 strategy again and SBB again. It is about a directional basis. This is also be edged one and OTM, and another one is an ATM. So this one is a naked. So this all 4 should be a edged strategies which you are going to learn on that. This is only for a naked strategy which we can directly buy a call or a put. So according to the movement. So this strategies which you are learning, and this stocks filter method which you will be using IV, IVP and IVR. So these are all the concepts which is, and all should be in a buying kind of thing. So by using this particular thing, any one of the strategy which we can apply, and based on this monthly IV which we'll use it for non-directional peaking. So for example, if you are looking at an August, so we have a lot of stocks which is more IV. Because of that one, we have many more stock which giving you what kind of thing like quarterly results. So that is why the expectation on the stocks would be very high. So we will be finding out many stock which is going to give you the breakout. Not only breakout, the expected volatility of the stock would be very high. That is what the thing which we have find it out last August. But September we didn't find it out that much more stocks. So it is simply saying as there is no good opportunity for a non-directional basis. But a directional basis we will be finding out the real scanner. We have a charting scanner and also Google Sheet scanner that will be helping you to find out by using a charting. So we to find the stocks, and after that we find a strike, and after that we calculate the entry price. We will be trying to use the charting, but this Google Sheet is simply telling you the real one. So but as of this month, from last to next, starting with the 3 days or 4 days. Okay, so in this last 4 days, we have a lot of opportunity. Our concept is to how to pick 3 to 5 stocks per month. So in this case, we have a lot of opportunity and many stocks which triggers, and most of the stocks is where it is more than 20 plus percentage. So if you are looking at almost 16 plus and triggered maybe around 30 plus, but we are not going to focus all those lists. So we will be finding some quality and liquid stocks from this list, but this scanner act as or it is this is a scanner which helps us to find out all 210 stocks which will be listed here. So it is act as a scanner. From this list we will be finding out the stocks. We can try to get the list. For an example, metal stocks are performing well from the last 4 days for the month of September. So let me find National Aluminum 185. So I've just taken for a study. So as per our option strategy, so we may be finding out the breakout is somewhere around 10 rupees 30. So then premium is 10.3. So where it is a valid or not valid. So sometimes the options may be starting with a gap up. So because from the 1st of September, we are tracking all the 200 stocks for our strategy. Here slightly moving and it is giving you an opportunity on 2nd September. But after that, we find there is a stop and a target based on the strategy or hedging strategy may have a fixed stop loss or fixed risk. And in this case, it is giving you almost 22 more than double. So this is what you know well where we can keep a stop loss and target so that you know those who are finished our session. And Jindal 950. Let me check. 50, I think this month, many stocks we have already discussed on one more video. So because very less IV, so there is a good movement can be expected. That is happening here. So it is happening Jindal. Should be the strike price 950. Think some internet issue. So this is what is Jindal and Tata Steel 155. This happening here. I think my internet I have some issue. Okay, so these are all the list of stocks which we able to find it out from based on our scanner, and many which is triggers, and it will be useful for a backtesting purpose where you can able to check how many stocks where it is giving you the breakout and how many of them good and liquid, so you can easily find it out with the volume and the bid ask spread gap between the premium. Easily you can find it out with the gap between the buyers and sellers, as well as volume also be very important. So from this list, we will be selecting some volumable stocks and strikes, which is good liquid. So from that, we can apply our strategy. And but this Google Sheet, we have stopped not providing it. So only those who are my strategy learners, you can also now you can access it uh, free up to February 26. So we have stopped providing this. Previously, we providing it on small charges basis, but now we completely stopped this, and we are not providing it for any other new people because it is based on the concept and the logic which we are using, and that is helping us to find out trade opportunities based on the logic. So if anyone who interested to learn and more detail about the content, so you just ping me on my WhatsApp number, which shown are here on this video. And any other questions or a doubt also, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number. It is already shown here. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And if you have any other questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment below. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.